Assalamualaikum, it's me Viahan and you are watching Home Kitchen. Today I will share with you the recipe of chicken mayo sandwich and egg mayo sandwich, and it's very easy and less time consuming. So let's get started. First I show you the ingredients. For this we need 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and 1 tablespoon of butter, 2 tablespoons of ketchup. For this I'm using multigrain bread. You can use any bread you like, and 1 lemon. Now see the procedure. First we boil eggs. When the eggs done, then we mash the eggs in a bowl and add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and mix it well. Then squeeze 1 lemon in the mixture.
You can increase or decrease
to get
the quantity
sour taste. Mix mayo in the mixture and then mix it well. After this procedure, take a pan and add little bit of butter. When the butter melts, then grill the bread. Grill the bread properly. We need its golden color, so flip the sides. After that, cut the border of the slices.
When you cut
carefully, the border of the slices, then separate ketchup on the slice and add the mixture, egg mayo mixture, on the bread. Put the slice on and again repeat the procedure. When it's done, cut the sandwich into triangle. Now cut the cucumber slices and put on the sandwich. You can add anything, tomato, anything you like it. So I put cucumber slices on the top of the sandwich. So there is the final result. You can see that it's look yummy. Now we move to the another recipe. For this we need to boil half kg chicken. The ingredients for this recipe are boiled chicken, mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 chopped onion, and 3 garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 chopped capsicum, cucumber and 1 lemon. Now see the procedure. First, shred the chicken. Heat the pan and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And then add garlic cloves, chopped and fried garlic. After that, and fry some capsicum in the pan until its color turns golden brown. Along with this, put some chopped onion in the pan and saute all the vegetables. When it's cooked, then add shredded chicken. You just need to after that, cut the border of the slices. And to grill bread, we need to heat pan. When it's done, squeeze 1 lemon in the vegetable. Now grill the slices. Now take a bowl and put the mixture in the bowl. Then add 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise in the mixture along with salt and pepper and some cinnamon powder for better taste. After this, we need to put 2 tablespoons of ketchup in the mixture and then mix it well. When this procedure done completely, then we take the slices, put the mixture on the slice, and then again repeat the procedure. Add slices of cucumber on the bread. Cut the slices into triangle and put cucumber on the top of the slices. So it's done. Look at the sandwich. It's look delicious. You can have this sandwich in your breakfast as well. You can take it as a snack. It's very tasty. If you like my recipe, then tell me in the comments below. Thank you for watching.